Now it is time for our English language class. So we just finished the prose. What is the name of the prose? Yes, Dear Mrs. Naidu. It is written by whom? Yes, Mathangi Subramanian, an Indian writer and educator. Okay, it is actually a story written in a letter format. This letter is written by a 12-year-old girl named Sarojini to the famous poet and important figure in Indian struggle for freedom, who is Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. Although when she wrote the letter, then Mrs. Naidu was not alive. Sarojini is fond of detective stories, but after reading a book on Sarojini Naidu's childhood story, she found that Mrs. Naidu is the right person or right personality to whom Sarojini, that girl, can share all her feelings and express her thoughts honestly and freely. As the girl is daughter of a maid, she lived in a slum area, and there are many differences between Mrs. Naidu and that girl Sarojini, that 12-year girl Sarojini. But the most common thing between them is what it is? Yes, that they both have the same first name, Sarojini. So today we will discuss on the word meanings and complete the sentences and some short question answers. Okay, please listen it carefully. Okay, so the chapter is chapter 2, Dear Mrs. Naidu. And firstly, the word meaning. Stranger means unknown person. Assignment, task, T-A-S-K, task. Memorizing, remembering exactly. Evidence, facts, F-A-C-T-S, facts or proof. Rags, worthless things, especially clothes. Torn clothes are called rags. Conclude, come to a decision. Complicated, difficult to understand. Instead, I-N-S-T-E-A-D, instead, as an alternative. Disagree, have a different opinion. Okay? And make sentences. Make spies. Spies, this is homework for you, spies. And make sentences. Here is some sentences. Here is some words. You have to make sentences with them. These are introduce, assignment, conclude, stranger, disagree. These five sentences, 5 words. You make 1 sentences for each. Okay, and you word meaning, the spies. The word meaning, you this is your homework. Okay, these all are your homework. You please do this, and in the next class I'll give you the correct answers. Then you check it with them. Okay. Now complete the following sentences. Number 1, Amma says, I am not allowed, here is the blank, to speak to strangers. To speak to strangers. You should write in the blank, to speak to strangers. And next, Animes says, memorizing things and saying them back makes you a parrot, not a person. Here will be the blank, and you should write down this here. Makes you a parrot, not a person. Okay? Question number 3. Adults don't like dash. Here you have to complete the sentences by writing questions. Okay? Next 4. The assignment is to write letters to someone here will be the blank, and you should write here, would like to get to know better. The assignment is to write letters to someone who you'd like to get to know better. Okay? 5. If I had a house with more than one room, there are plenty of times I would have locked myself behind a closed door. These are the blanks. Here is a blank and you have to write here all these words. Next, answer the following in brief. Okay? Short questions. When the letter Dear Mrs. Naidu was written. The question is when the letter Dear Mrs. Naidu was written. And the answer, the letter Dear Mrs. Naidu was written in the year 2013 on June 10th. Okay? And next question 2. In which class the letter writer was in? The girl who wrote the letter was in class 6. The girl who wrote the letter was in class 6. Question number 3. Name the miss who gave assignment to Sarojini. Name the miss who gave assignment to Sarojini. Answer is Annie miss gave the assignment to Sarojini. Next, what was the assignment? What was the assignment? Answer, the assignment was to write letters to someone we would like to get to know better. Answer is, the assignment was to write letters to someone we would like to get to know better. Okay? Next, question number 5. What is the common thought about the reason to go to school? Common thought, the answer is here. Common thought about the reason to go to school is to pass exams and get a job and live a comfortable life with lots of wealth. Okay? Next. Question number 6. According to Sarojini, what is the meaning of concluded? From where she learned it? According to Sarojini, concluded means figured out based on clues and evidence. The answer is, according to Sarojini, concluded means figured out based on clues and evidence. She learned it by reading detective stories. Next, what was the opinion of English miss about detective stories? Answer is, according to English miss, detective stories are nothing but useless rags. According to English miss, detective stories are nothing but useless rags. Okay? Next question. Question number 8. What is the most common between the girl Sarojini and Mrs. Naidu? Answer. The most common thing between the girl Sarojini and Mrs. Naidu is that they both have same first name Sarojini. The answer is, the most common thing between the girl Sarojini and Mrs. Naidu is that they both have same first name Sarojini. Okay? Question number 9. Why Sarojini took some more time to read the book about Mrs. Naidu? Why Sarojini took some more time to read the book about Mrs. Naidu? And the answer is, as the girl Sarojini reads mostly detective stories which written in easy English, she felt the book about Mrs. Naidu is in much more complicated English. So it took some more time to read it. Okay? And here is the last question. Question number 10. State the incident which makes Sarojini feel that Mrs. Naidu will understand her. State the incident which makes Sarojini feel that Mrs. Naidu will understand her. Answer. When Sarojini Naidu was a child, she locked herself in a room for a whole day to protest against her parent. This incident moved Sarojini a lot, and she thought Mrs. Naidu will understand her. Okay? So, these are the short questions, and there is some homework for you. You please learn the question answers and do the homework. I will tell you the answers in our next class. Okay? So, till then, bye.